Assalamu alaikum students. I hope everybody is doing well. In previous video we have done the explanation as well as summary of unit number 8 peace. Today we are going to do question answers. First of all we are going to do block questions. So block question number 1 we have, with what the wind is compared. So in this block question number 1 we have to answer about the comparison of the wind, and the answer is the wind is compared with a monster of destruction. So block question number 2 we have, where did the truth lie? And the answer is, in this we have to explain it, where actually the truth lied. It means truth is found in its center. Appearances are deceptive. The truth is hidden. That is the answer of block question number 2. Now we are going to move towards the comprehension question. So question number 1 we have, how is wind described in first stanza? So in this we have to write down the description of the wind according to the first stanza, and the answer is in the first stanza wind has been described as a monster of destruction that smashes everything. So that is the answer, that is the description of the wind according to the poem. Question number 2 we have, with what wind is compared in the first stanza. So in this we have to answer the comparison of wind according to the first stanza, what poet has written over there. And the answer is, in the first stanza wind is compared with a monster of destruction that destroys everything, that we have read before as well. So number 3 we have, what is wind doing to all man's work? In this we have to answer what actually the work of the wind is and what actually the wind has done to all man's work. And the answer is, wind is wrecking all man's work, which means we have read the context before. That means the wind in the rag, it smashes and destroys all man's work, that we have read before. Now we have question number 4. How does the scene look like when wind is still? So we have to write down when wind is pleasant, calm or still, how does it look? And the answer is, when the wind stops, there is silence and bright blue sky that refreshes birds and human. Last question we have, what comparison is made in the second stanza? Firstly, we have done the comparison according to the first stanza. Now we are going to do it according to the second stanza. And the answer is, in the second stanza, the real truth of wind is compared with bright blue skies and all we hear. So, in this that we have read that the wind is compared, the real truth of wind is compared with bright blue skies that we hear. That is the answer of question number 5. I hope students that you have got all the answers. Learn it well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.